How about gamifying your climbing park? Here's a closer look at Hapik, the 100% fun climbing park that uses the interactive treasure hunt Kylii Quest. Kids put on their wristbands during the briefing and start their session. Boxes are placed on the walls throughout the park. The game terminal invites players to find them, one after the other, using clues. It's a great way to give a goal to the kids and encourage them to push themselves to the limit, while having fun, to defend their place in the climbing rankings.